Your Ninja Foodi is equipped with 7 to 8 cooking functions for endless mealtime possibilities. The pressure, steam, sear saute, and slow cook functions are used with the pressure lid. Use sear saute without the lid for flipping and browning ingredients just like on your stovetop. The air crisp, bake roast, broil, and dehydrate are used with the crisping lid. Use the pressure function to quickly tenderize and infuse moisture into your foods with pressurized steam. Use the steam function to cook foods that you typically steam on your stovetop in a pot. Use the slow cook function for low and slow cooking. Your Ninja Foodi will display time in minutes or hours depending on the function selected. Use the up and down arrow on your display to adjust your cook time in minutes. The air crisp function delivers a crispy golden texture using little to no oil. The bake roast function allows you to cook your meals just how you would in your oven. The broil function, used with the reversible rack, finishes off your meals with caramelization and crispiness. The dehydrate function allows you to gently remove moisture from your food to create snacks like chips and jerky. Visit ninjakitchen.com for exciting recipes to get you started.